guys, and welcome to my channel. For those of you who are new, my name is Kristen and I do a variety of videos such as the DIYs, a lot of Dollar Tree hauls, haul videos, reviews, cleaning, etc. Like, the possibilities are endless on this channel. But I'm really excited about today. We're gonna be doing a Dollar Tree Easter collab with 4 other ladies. I'm super excited. I'm gonna be collabing with Megan from Glue Guns and Roses. She does a ton of really cool DIY Dollar Tree and super budget friendly decor. I absolutely love her channel. I love her anyways. And the second one is Jennifer from Little Bit of Calm and Crazy. I absolutely love her channel. She is the sweetest and she has a channel a lot like mine. She does a lot of DIYs. Her spring and Easter DIYs are like killing it right now. They are amazing. But she also does some cleaning videos and some hauls. She does a lot of Dollar Tree hauls too, but love her channel. The third one is Jessica from Measure and Mix. She does a lot of Dollar Tree DIYs as well. She's kind of like going off and doing like home renovations. She just redid her laundry room, which is amazing, and she built like her own mantle slash like fireplace in her bedroom. So she's kind of like, she does a lot of Dollar Tree, and then now she's kind of like doing a lot of other DIYs, which are really awesome, and they're also really budget friendly. Last but not least is KATELYN from KRAFTS by KATELYN. I have watched her videos for a good year now. We've collabed a couple times in the past, and I'm really excited to be collabing with her again. She also does a ton of Dollar Tree DIYs. She makes some really amazing farmhouse decor as well on a budget. So all of our videos are super budget friendly and super fun. So, and if you are new to my channel, I would love if you hit that subscribe button so you don't miss any more of my fun DIYs or cleaning or hauls or reviews or whatever that is. But we are just gonna get started. For the first DIY, you're just gonna need this welcome sign with these little bunnies, some reindeer moss, and I have some jet black acrylic paint, but it didn't show up very well. And I have a little sander, and then I am just gonna rip off all these little tails to this. This is like the easiest DIY I have ever done in my entire life. So I'm just going to sand some of the glitter off. It didn't all come off, which was completely fine, because I'm just going to take all these little bunnies and I'm just going to cover them with moss and some hot glue. And I didn't have to do anything else because the moss covered these little bunnies. So this made a super simple, easy DIY, and I loved the background of this. I thought it looked kind of like a farmhouse or distressed or whatever you like to call it, but I didn't have to do anything with this, so I didn't have to paint anything, and the only thing I wanted to change up was the welcome sign, so I did paint that black. So that's all I had to do for this simple and easy DIY. And you guys know I love my moss, so I thought this was like the best thing ever. And I did start printing out a bunch of little bunnies to do something similar to this, but I seen this and I was like, this is way easier. And then last but not least, I just trimmed the bunnies down so they actually looked like bunnies.
Right now I'm standing in.
And then I did pick up some of these white poms from Walmart. These were, I think, 97 cents. And in a last DIY, everyone said that I should add little bunny tails to one of my banners I just made. So I thought that I would pick these up so I have a million bunny tails for future DIYs. And I think this turned out really good. And it only cost about $3 to make, which is so amazing. So I absolutely love this one.
I see you from across the...
And this next DIY is just going to be using this little tinsel bunny head. I'm going to be tearing this little guy apart. I felt so bad doing it, but not really at the same time. And then I'm just going to take reindeer moss and cover this entire bunny completely. I did see Jennifer from Little Bit of Calm and Crazy do this, but I thought I would add a little bit extra to it and make a little topiary. I did purchase this, and I didn't know exactly what I was going to do that. I thought I was going to wrap twine around it first, but then I seen that she added moss to it, which was so hard to do. I don't know any other easier way to explain it. I just added a bunch of hot glue and just hoped for the best, but I love the way this turned out. This was pretty time consuming, and I almost thought about using spray adhesive, but I stuck with hot glue since that just was what I had on hand. And so many people have told me to use spray adhesive so the moss would stay put, and I thought this just made it really sticky, but it did stay, so I can't say that anybody was wrong. And then I just took one of these clay pots and just painted it white, and then now I'm just adding some floral foam and this little wooden dowel that I got from Dollar Tree, and let me tell you how hard it was to actually put the little dowel into this bunny that has a million holes. It was really, really hard, and it took like 2 glue sticks so it actually stay. But I absolutely love how this turned out, and I'm super happy that it worked in my favor. And then after I got everything together and the dowel to actually stay on the little bunny to make this adorable little topiary, I grabbed some Spanish moss and just put it in the bottoms to cover the floral foam. And then I did just have these leftover eggs from Hobby Lobby last year for a project I did, and I'm just going to be adding a couple of those, and this is what it looks like when it's all done, and I am so happy and I am so proud of it.
It's kind of crowded here.
This very last DIY, you're going to need some of these willow wreaths from the Dollar Tree. These are poorly made, but I keep buying them anyways because I just love them. And I'm going to take the smaller one and the larger one and zip tie them together. And zip ties are amazing for crafting. So I know probably if some people do use wreaths or do make like wreaths, maybe they use zip ties. If not, you should try it out. But I love that idea. And then I wanted to make a little bunny wreath, and I thought that I could bend these little sticks, and it didn't really work out that well. So I just took one and just glued them to the top of the smaller wreath just to make cute little bunny ears.
You see me too. Everybody singing, oh, everybody singing, oh.
And I did wait quite a while for the ears to dry because they kept falling off, so I did have to kind of stand them up on a few things. But once that was done, I was able to add the reindeer moss. I thought this would just give it a little bit extra something. I kind of seen something like this on Pinterest a while back when I was looking. I don't know if they used moss or flowers, but anyways, that's kind of where the idea came from. But I am super happy with the way this one turned out as well. This one was pretty time consuming because it was a lot of waiting and waiting for things to dry. But I love the addition to the moss, and then I added some of the floral. I cannot say the name, so I won't, but starts with an A, but this was all from the Dollar Tree. And I just took the little flowers after I did the moss, and I just put them right on top of the moss, and I thought this was super cute, and I thought this was like a little like modern type farmhouse or farmhouse. Anyways, I think it turned out really, really cute.
I don't know what it is about you.
And then the very last thing I did to this was just add a little bit of lace ribbon and a little simple bow right to the neck of this. And I tried to cover up the zip ties as much as I could. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. And if you guys did like it, please make sure you give it a thumbs up. And if you are new to my channel or coming from the other ladies' channels, I would love if you subscribed and stuck around. And make sure you also check out the ladies I talked about in the beginning. I will leave all of their links in the description box below so you're able to check out their videos. I cannot wait to see what they come up with for Easter, and I will see you all in my next video. Bye!